Thank you very much. We are on to our legal team, the defense team for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who has been here for so long as 10 years in DSS/the Federal High Court. Okay, we shall hear from one of our special counsel, Aloy Ejimakor, who shall tell us what transpired today in court.
Hello, my bessies. Welcome to this channel. It's your girl Susu here. If you are not subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe, support this channel, like this video, comment and share. Thank you.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. I cannot remember, my lord. No, my lord. I'm not aware, my lord. I'm not aware, my lord. I'm not aware, my lord. No, my lord. Yes, my lord. I don't know, my lord. I'm not aware, my lord. I'm not aware, my lord. I don't know, my lord. No, my lord. Yes, my lord. No, my lord. Yes, my lord. I'm not aware. Depending on your time zone and location. Today's court hearing at Indigo, and it was a very interesting moment today in the court. Regarding Ifemena court today, the court hearing today has just been adjourned to the 21st day and 22nd day of May. Adjourned. Let's see the update from the official Twitter handle Aloy Ejimakor. But before I read it out, the major reason why made this case adjourned, but because the Unumanatata for the defense team Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to cross-examine Ndebiaro testify against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So today was for the defense team, so they begin to throw questions at the person in reply. Kobia reply to what they brought against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So, and this issue of yes, my lord, I don't know, my lord, no, my lord, yes, my lord, I'm not aware, my lord, a way shift to the case till next week so that they will go and prepare answers to this thing. If I'm no, my lord, yes, my lord, I'm not aware, my lord, now man continue a trial like that. So, can I go down an update from the official Twitter handle Aloy Ejimakor just few minutes after the court hearing today ended, and the update reads: cross-examination in the case of Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which began today, has been suspended upon the motion of the defense for adequate time to secure certain documents that are crucial. So that enough of documents, some crucial document needs to be in place before the case continued. So it was adjourned for this reason. And then he went further to say the judge graciously granted the adjournment. The trial shall continue on 21st and 22nd of May 2025. So if I update if on a court today, there was not much that was done, or just a time for the defense team to examine the people who actually came to testify or to bring, or the people to examine some of the things they put against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So then with another video that I want you guys to watch. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu came into the court today, still looking very okay. So but freedom. Yes, that is just it. And when you hear they can freedom. So I want you guys to watch this other video. If I have the proceedings, some of the proceedings of today, and then some of the things maybe last week, that was on 8th. Some people are not actually following the proceeding accordingly. Last week, a lot of things was said. The conversation can actually play right now for you guys to listen to, because you watch to see this video. Kabaro to say I can also we work with for the updates. So we look forward to 21st and 22nd, the day the court hearing will continue. So I'll still bring you guys more updates. More updates from the legal team Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But for now, watch this video, drop your opinion in the comment section, and do not forget to share the video. Freedom. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ge wolonwe Nikechukwu Okika Biama. So watch the video. I'll be right back.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court update 08/05/2025. Questioning transcription of court proceedings. Video of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu interview upon his extraordinary rendition in 2021 is finally being played in court. Prosecution. Witness BBB. Can you identify the people in the video? Witness. Yes, I can. Prosecution. Who are the people in the video sitting next to Nnamdi Kanu? Witness. Aloy Ejimakor and Abila. Both are lawyers. Prosecution. Mr. Kanu, in this video, could you tell us about the indigenous people of Biafra? MNK. I am the leader of IPOB. I was granted bail in 2017 after arrest 2 years earlier. However, I was in my house. An army came to kill me. The army invaded my house and killed 28 people. Transcription of cross-examination proceedings. Prosecution, Mr. Kanu, you made a broadcast. MNK, I do not remember which one specifically. Prosecution, we mean the broadcast made during the End SARS protest. MNK, the purpose of my broadcast was because the army was killing protesters in Lagos. Stay tuned as cross-examination continues. Transcription of interview content of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu after his rendition. The presiding judge, Justice Omotosho, had asked the lawyer to help the prosecution fix the electronic system in the court. Interviewer, you gave instructions to people to attack federal infrastructures. MNK, if you say you have control over Biafrans or Easterners, you are mistaken. We are Republican in nature. We do things, especially what is right, at our own accords, not necessarily adherent to dictation. Interviewer, you pass instructions to your people. MNK, I lead the movement, but the day-to-day operation of IPOB is done through the Directorate of State, DOS. MNK, you are talking about incidents that happened after NSAS. Why don't you ask me of what happened 2015, 16, 17, etc. Interviewer, in 2021, there were attacks. MNK, I am aware the army killed a lot of people. MNK, the movement I lead is not violent. Interviewer, your instructions led to jailbreak etc. MNK, my reaction remains that we are not violent. Interviewer, when you were arrested, MNK interjects, I wasn't arrested, I was kidnapped. Interviewer, what's your relationship with ESN? MNK, ESN is a vigilante group that exists everywhere in Biafra land. Transcription of interview content of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu after his rendition. Interviewer, you established ESN? MNK, yes, for a very simple reason, to protect our people. Interviewer, INEC office were attacked. MNK, INEC cannot stop my parents from going to farm, but terrorists can. Interviewer, how does ESN differ from other vigilante groups? MNK, I cannot say, but mine is to make sure our land is secured. The governors have failed and our land needs protection. That's why there's ESN. Interviewer, how many people are there in ESN? MNK, I wouldn't know. Interviewer, ESN perceived to be your children. How do we distinguish terrorists from this group? MNK, how would I know? Another audio broadcast is being played in court where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said the following. Nobody can stop us. Ojukwu said it long ago. We are unstoppable and our enemies know this. We are sensitizing our people, talking how Igbos were forcibly taken into other regions to further divide us. Witness, the broadcast was to confirm whether or not he made the broadcast. Interviewer, you said, kill them. MNK, would you support security agents killing people? Interviewer, no. Interviewer, what about the sit-at-home orders of 30th May? MNK, you are ascribing powers to me that I do not have, or should I say I lack? Is it when I say, let there be light, and there will be light? Witness, what we are asking him is where he asks people, not to go out on the 30th of May, and as a result, people died. Prosecution: Ahmed Gulak and his assassination in the southeast. Justice Omotosho interjects: I do not have such name here. It is not on the record. The video continues playing. MNK educating the DSS on how political issues should be resolved and how people interpret information differently. MNK: it is up to people how they assimilate or incorporate instructions or directives. Everything people do is based on their understanding. People must have a way of channeling their grievances, and one of them is to protest. Interviewer: on a lighter note, tell me about your background, education, career, family. Which state in Nigeria are you from? MNK: Abia State. Interviewer: after you left Nigeria. MNK interjects: no, I saved my life. Interviewer: where have you been and what were you doing there? MNK: it is my business. Interviewer: what is the job of ESN? MNK: they are in the bush protecting our people. Interviewer insists: what is the job of ESN? MNK: as I previously stated, they are there to protect our mothers when they go to farms. The video interview continues to play as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and his special counsel dialogues on issues. Shortly after, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu continues: the invasion of my house was unnecessary. I was in touch with Igbo men I had respect for. Whoever authorized the invasion of my house is the real enemy. Video clip ends and has been admitted as an exhibit. Judge: are you playing anything else? Prosecution: no, my lord. Prosecution: witness: is this the letter received from the Attorney General? Witness: yes, it is. AG's letter admitted as Exhibit G, and the witness also requested the letter be read before court. Stay tuned. Witness reading AGF's letter to court hearing and subsequent statement. Witness PW2BBB reading the letter. Prosecution: Mr. Kanu, do you have any statement to make with regard to the content of the recently read letter? MNK: I do not wish to make any statement on the letter from the office of AGF. Judge: if your name is not on the list and you are in court, get out right away, or else you'll be charged with contempt. Witness continues his testimony. Apart from taking videos and writing against the defendant, I have worked with investigating IPOB, MNK, and ESN. MNK founded Radio Biafra, ESN, and others. We discovered that the Lagos High Court, the Ilasa Maja Police Station, and the Murtala Mohammed Airport had all been burnt down, particularly in 2020. He not only called for the killing of police officers, but he also advocated for sit at home and instructed his followers to strictly enforce it. Even as Gulak was killed, Kano questioned why he went out knowing that they would be sitting at home on May 30. Witness goes on to name states classified as part of the Biafra region proposed by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Stay tuned. The witness PW2BBB has ended his latest testimony. However, the defense has proposed to go into full cross-examination of witness on Wednesday, while they gather information on whether or not those who were killed were as a result of the MNK broadcast or other causes. Although the prosecution team insists on accelerated hearing and cross-examination of the witness today, the defense team wants the cross-examination to happen on Wednesday so they can gather info and be well prepared. The presiding judge also is of the opinion that accelerated hearing be enforced. However, Agabi San points out the need for info gathering because cross-examination of the witness.
Thank you very much. We are on to our legal team, the defense team for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who has been here for so long as 10 years in DSS/the Federal High Court. Okay, we shall hear from one of our special counsel, Aloy Ejimakor, who shall tell us what transpired today in court.
Well, I greet you all out there listening and monitoring this trial. I'm here with some of my colleagues, Nemeka for Esquire, Mandela, Esquire. I'm also here with the president of American Military Veterans of Igbo descent, who came all the way from the United States to monitor this trial. I'm also here with a lot of dedicated Umu Chineke, who have always stood by us and stood by Onyendu throughout all these travails that began in June 2021 when Onyendu was unfortunately renditioned. Well, let me cut through the chase and tell you what happened today briefly. First of all, we still have a media embargo imposed by the court, but we can speak on peripheral issues. Just auxiliary issues such as is telling you what happened in court today is what we can speak on. So I speak to you from the position of someone who was in court. And we conducted cross-examination of the witness, one of the witnesses. We identified him as prosecution witness BBV. His cross-examination was very detailed, very aggressive, and very comprehensive. But it could not be concluded today because of the absence of certain documents that could aid us in more effective cross-examination. So having been presented to the court as such, the court adjourned this matter to 21st of May for continuation of cross-examination and to allow defense the ample opportunity to obtain those documents. If there's something I'm missing, my colleague here, for this one, can fill in the